In 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to solve your biggest marketing problem. Here we go. So the big thing is most online marketing, most any marketing actually, is focusing on generating traffic. Things like Facebook, Instagram, videos, advertisements in magazines. That traffic lands on your website. Now, the reality is only around 2% from all of your traffic generation strategies will convert towards a sale. And that might be a meeting. It might not even be a sale at that point. So only 2% from everything you do when it comes to marketing. So what you really need to focus on in this kind of channel when people land on your website are three top priorities. Converting red hot prospects is pathway number one. Pathway number two is having an effective opt-in. Now you might collect an extra 5%, even 10% of your traffic converting to leads with an effective opt-in. So we're up from 2% now to maybe it's another 5, maybe another 10% on top. Another thing you need, the third pathway from your website to send people down, is retargeting ads. You need ads that follow people around so they come back and convert to sales at later dates when it might be just more convenient for them. So the top thing to do is focus on what happens when people land on the site, not just getting people to the site. Now, if you'd like to learn more about this, check out the Marketing Blast-Off workshop where we'll take you through mapping out your online marketing funnels. It's absolutely free right now. We're running the session every 2 weeks at the moment. You can find a link here to register, and hopefully I'll see you on there.